Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the January 2023 Sew Sampler box reveal. Today is the first day that I'm able to share this month's box. It's a good one as usual, and so let's just get started and dive into this month's box. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this January box. I always let you know if I was able to figure out what it was from the sneak peeks, and I wasn't this time. But Grow Kindness is the theme. You will notice first, this is foundation paper in a pad for a 6-inch vintage kite block, which is actually a block that I love to make, and it's really helpful to make it with the foundation paper. So I am excited to use this. I have a goal this year to make some scrap quilts, and I am going to use this for some scrap quilts. I'm super excited. I think this is going to be one of my projects. And it's kind of like those old paint by numbers, sew by number, and you sew the sections and sew them together. And so I'm really excited to use this. And the other thing that I noticed was it says Vintage Block Series number 1, which means they are going to come out with some other vintage blocks with these foundation papers. And I'm super excited to see what those are. Okay, so this month's pattern is actually a table runner, and it uses the foundation paper and it uses the charm packs that are included in the box. And we also have the Bliss quilt pattern for that Bliss quilt sew along, which I've got to get going on those blocks. This is just a little card that tells you about all the products. This is super fun. It is a Riley Blake wrist pin cushion with just an elastic. And I feel like that is really nice. I am actually going to try this out. I have a lot of sewing to do this month, so I like how easy and how comfortable it is. And you could also just, set it on a table or put it in a bowl maybe so it was a little bit more stable if you don't want to use it on your wrist. So really, really cute. Let's go to the fabric next. It's 2 charm packs of Lori Holt's Calico collection. And this is a really fun vintage inspired group of fabrics with a lot of really tiny little prints. I'm just going to kind of flip through, and there are browns, grays, kind of tan, plum, different shades of blue, darker and lighter, and then several greens. It really does have a vintage feel. Some mustard yellow, orange, more of a kind of a burgundy pink, reds, really just a ton of different shades. And so really 2 charm, I love it when they include 2 charm packs because you can really make quite a nice size project with that. And I have to show you the other item in this box that is so fun. I didn't even realize, I guess, what it was until I looked at the card, but these are reading glasses. And they're really cute, and they have this really nice case and very stylish, kind of an aqua and then a plaid. I'm not sure if this is one of the calico prints or not, but it's definitely, I'm guessing, a kind of a Lori Holt print because the readers are Stitchy Readers by Lori Holt of Be in My Bonnet. So, and it's a 2.5 magnification. So really, really excited, and they're really nice quality. So I feel like this is a great item to have in the box. And whether you need readers now or you'll need them in the future, this is great. And again, like I said, I just love, love, love the little case that came along with them. Okay, and that's it for the January 2023 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box. Okay, so that's it for the January 2023 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box. It's a Grow Kindness box, and it's primarily inspired by Lori Holt and all things Riley Blake. A really, really good box, and we've got everything linked. If you want to sign up for these boxes, we've got a link for that, and then I've also got the individual products that are available separately linked that you can find in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.